This is the most awesome wilderness building. In order to have a warm home, the brothers have been struggling here for 59 days. With his bare hands, the luxury of the pool. Chinese netizens say, it's too awesome. February 30th. Guys find this place where birds don't shit. He knelt on the ground and dug up without hesitation. After leveling the ground, two people turned into groundhogs and started to punch holes. How deep is the hole? How secure is the house? Then they carried a lot of wood for free and they put it in the cave as a pillar of the house. The next step is to build a framework. The two are skilled. Tacit cooperation. Every intersection, they all had to be stabilized with wooden iron nails. As for the exterior wall styling, to give the bamboo a high temperature treatment first. With the help of Brother Shoe, break it into the desired curvature and we attach it to the frame. I have to admire the hands-on ability of the brothers. Construction industry, although there are no blueprints, but how to build, the two have already understood. Through their unremitting efforts, I don't know how long it's been, the frame of the house finally took shape. Then the two of them started to lay it piece by piece, piece by piece. I have to say that these two are really amazing. If you think they are great too, you might as well like and support them. After the bamboo slices they dug up the clay, add awesome and some licorice. Mix well and apply to the house. Everything needs to be polished, smooth and translucent. Middle position of roof groove. The brothers arrange another cylinder. Without Wukunian's experience in playing with mud, it's hard to imagine how they tripped. Will make the wall not appear too monotonous. The two of them carved a few beautiful lines on it. The roof pool is painted with the color of the sea. Lay turf around the pool. Add a little green so that life can be lived. When it's done, the brothers carried the chamber pot and filled the pool with water, pouring water into it again and again. Soon the water will fill up. They also couldn't wait to wash in it. However, due to the small size of the pool, they decide rebuild a pool in front of the house. Kneeling on the ground is a sudden. The extra soil is thrown away. With small hands, the approximate outline was dug out. They dug deeper, like two tireless pedestrian excavators. In order to facilitate access to both sides of the pool, they reserved a few pillars for stairs. Soon the pool will be completed. Then, to people add a little source of life to the clay. Mix well and apply swimming pool. This will effectively waterproof. Of course, on the wall, also carve some simple but not simple lines. Will make the water resistance even better. They put another layer of cement on. As for the color of the pool, naturally, it is the same as the roof pool and turf all around the pool. The whole project is basically completed. And finally, water. The two first made a shower out of bamboo fixed to the pool. The rest of the bamboo is used as water pipe, receiving water from the river to the shower into the pool. And it was dark. The brothers lit a torch. The next day, the pool was full. The brothers also played happily.